Exactly.
Fishing at 6, and it's another hour to get all this crap.
Okay, you guys are at 1 o'clock, so if
6
you
a.m. to
line
7
up
p.m.
on the fence,
It's your drag. I see it trying to come over. She's got a good size when it seems. Okay, add some. There, go ahead, try. Yeah, she has a fish on. There we go. Now we do.
That was you guys on getting close to one move.
Excuse us, we gotta move him.
All right.
All right, take it over there. All right. Good job.
That's not it. That's it.
Good job.
Yep.
This is all my gear right here.
Hello.
I can throw this on.
Would you like a sticker?
And then
Sure.
My backpack,
There you
my
go.
pack that I wear inside of the smoke.
Then we got
that
another
keeps me safe.
We ran out of helmets.
So this is my seat. Yeah. I have my helmets right there, and if we have anybody extra, they get a seat right here.
Is that a Rubik's Cube?
It is tight. What? Yeah, a lot of room in there. Just enough room for me to sit. And then we got the food right here. There's our X. You guys can feel that if you want. And this is our, it's called a Halligan. We can use this to open doors.
Pretty big ladder. See that one right there on top?
And all of our hoses. This is a big.
And these are 16. So they're just kind of hibernating until we get back.
Interesting, huh?
She's like, sure.
right?
Oh my goodness. We can take pictures, right?
I think you're very welcome to.
Hacia arriba, mírala. Mira, watch out. people.